Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. If you're considering banking options outside the mainstream US platforms, you might have come across the Bank of Georgia. Known primarily in Eastern Europe, the Bank of Georgia app supports a wide range of personal and business banking features for local and international clients. Whether you're living in Georgia, traveling, or managing international accounts, the app has developed to serve users with fast, multilingual financial services on mobile. This video explains how the Bank of Georgia mobile app works, what its main features are, and whether it's a useful choice for digital banking. After downloading the app from Google Play or the App Store, users are required to verify their identity using either Georgian ID credentials or passport information. Once inside the app, the main dashboard displays account balances, recent transactions, and access to services like money transfers, bill payments, savings management, and currency exchange. Click on the Payments tab to initiate domestic or international transfers. Users can also save frequent payees for faster future use. Go to the Exchange section to convert currency between GL, USD, and Euro with real-time rate updates. Tap the Deposits option if you're interested in creating a fixed-term savings plan directly from the app. Users can also order debit or credit cards, track deliveries, and manage card settings under the Cards tab. The app supports both Georgian and English languages, and live chat support is available during business hours. Push notifications alert users for incoming transfers, payment deadlines, and bank messages. Integration with biometric security like fingerprint or Face ID helps ensure login and transaction safety. Users also have access to QR payments for select Georgian merchants. User reviews praise the app for reliable functionality and consistent updates, though some have reported difficulty with verification for foreign passports or delays in card delivery tracking. Performance overall is stable, with average loading speeds and minimal reported crashes. Most complaints are about feature parity when used abroad, but local usage appears to be smooth and fully supported. The Bank of Georgia app is a strong option for those residing in Georgia or doing business in the region. It provides dependable service for basic banking functions and multilingual support. While international use is possible, it's best suited to customers within the country or with Georgian residency. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.